How's it going, guys? It's noisy out here. There's people doing their lawn. I want to take these block steps out. Tired of them there. Just want to keep it all grass, so I'm going to take them out, move them over there, and rake it up and throw some grass seeds on it. Take to a time. Thinking about making a walkway over. Thinking about making a walkway over here. I don't know. Just gonna move them over here for now. And I'll think of something to do. Damn, every time I come up, my nose starts running. Not cool. I forgot to mention this tree. I remember last year I planted it on the side of the house back there. It was not doing good. So I planted it here, opened the roots up more, and I cut a lot of the dead leaves off. I mean, let's see what happens. It might work, it might not work. It might grow, it might not grow. Let's see. All right. Nobody ever temporary. Brainstorming as I go, but I just have to move these out of the way. All right, so I'm gonna have to wait till I get grass seeds to fill that in. It should grow in quickly, and I found another one of these extra. Like I said, it's only temporary. I'm just trying to brainstorm. But I definitely want a bird back here. I'm gonna call this the shady garden. That's what I've been calling it, so might as well just keep that name. The shady garden. Here, but it's broken, so I put it towards the back. I don't know if I showed you guys inside the shed yet. Let's take a walk in there real quick. All right. We'll think of something for this. Let me show you inside the shed. There was a fox in there dead. He froze to death. I buried him. This was in the winter. But I cleaned out most of the garbage. I still gotta throw some of this out. Sorry. This pile right here of wood, it's gotta go. The mattresses. I mean, yeah, but considering how it looked, it was bad. And the rest of that wall I gotta take down. I'm just gonna paint all this white. I'm not even gonna take this wall down and just paint it all white, put shelves up, take down this whole wall, remove the wiring. Yeah. I'll situate this somewhere, and I need to fix it there. I got to get plywood. I mean, it could be worse. All this pile got to go. Snow blowers back there. So that's how it looks. So I just got to throw it all out. I threw out a lot of bags, if you would have saw in the beginning videos. But I think it's coming along. It's gonna be a nice wood working room. You know, work with wood in here. We'll see. I don't know. Okay. All right, guys. Close this thing up. I got the sledgehammer to hold it. We'll figure out what we're gonna do with this area. Oh, you know what? I should have put this in there. Don't mind me, guys. Sorry if I'm driving you crazy. Then eventually, I'm gonna paint the whole shed to match the color of my house. I keep putting myself in a hole, huh? Kind of like this. I could put certain flowers over here, hostas over here, around the tree. You know, shaded plants. See, I don't know. Like I said, I'm pulling out a lot of these weeds because you can see they're growing. And this whole area is full of ferns. And a lot of ferns. And poison ivy. Mostly ferns. And some vines. I don't know what kind of vines they are. But I'm just gonna keep coming out here, breaking them up. All right, guys, I think that's enough for today. I'll be out here again tomorrow, and I want to clean up around the pool, take all the weeds out. So, see you guys tomorrow.